Good morning, YouTube. It's actually been almost a week. Something came up and I just kind of took the week off. But yeah, we finally started getting going on this again. We did manage to get the head on Saturday. But me and my son were just doing it. We didn't even, sorry, I didn't film it. And then something came up, so I didn't have any free time until yesterday, and yesterday I just kind of took a break. I'm still kind of tired, so I probably won't touch this until maybe later today. I gotta adjust the valves and probably put the distributor on. And I think that's it. I think my son got everything else on it last night. I have to double check with him. But yeah, what else? Yeah, so that's that. But I am, like I said, a little bit too tired. The clutch line came in for the EG, so let's go ahead and do that first. So get some progress going on that, And as far as this, GSR, it should be running by the weekend. We were gonna go see Andre Friday to dyno it. I just sent him a message after I started filming. I don't think we're gonna make it up there on Friday. Today's Wednesday, so even if we get this running up tomorrow, it'll just be too short. We won't be able to check everything out. I'd hate to make a 2-hour or 3-hour trip to Reno to dyno and only to figure out that there's something wrong. If we can get it going, then maybe, yeah, we'll go up. I'll have to talk to my son tonight. We'll see. So let's get going on the EG and get the clutch line going. Oh, and if you're wondering why I'm not working on it right now, aside from the valve adjustment, I don't know what my son has done. And I usually do the valve adjustment last or close to being last, something like this. So everything else is buttoned up because I'd hate to drop something in. Like if the exhaust manifold was off, I'd hate to accidentally drop something into the manifold or whatnot, right? So yeah, so I gotta talk to him. I got home kind of late yesterday, so I didn't really get a chance to, talk to him about what has he done so far. I did tell him I'm gonna do the valve adjustment. So yeah, that's that. Let's go working on the EG. Okay, so the clutch line kit is from Kmotor. Let me just say I'm not sponsored by them anyway. I bought this at Amazon from, I guess that's the website, gatotools.com. Here's the part number. I'm assuming this part number is from the company I bought this from the website. I actually got it through Amazon. And it's, Kmotor. It comes with a clutch line, the adapter on the ends. And then let's go to the car. I got the slave cylinder down there. The clutch master I'm using is still the EG. So we'll go ahead and do that. So let me go ahead and get the adapters on, and then we'll come back from that. Okay, so we got the adapters are in. As you can see, it's right there. This one swivels right there, so we'll run the line like that. And then the adapter for that is on. So where's the line? Let's see if we can put this on. If I can put this on one-handed, I'll put it on. If I can't, then I'm gonna have to pause the video. I tucked this reservoir underneath because I didn't want fluid spilling. So let's see. Yeah, you can kind of see that. Well, sorry guys, I try to do it one-handed and I try to prop it up somewhere, but it keeps falling off, so I'll be right back. Okay, there you have it, folks. Clutch line is in. I gotta wait till my here. See, I gotta wait till my son. There it is on the master slave, and the line kind of ran along the fuel line also. They went there. Then I went ahead and bolt this thing back up. I do have to wait for my son to get home from school so we can bleed this. Other than that, I think that will be it for this video. The next thing I'll probably be working on this is the shifter cables. Shifter cables and exhaust. I ordered the exhaust pipes for it. We're gonna go with 3-inch exhaust, and we're gonna go all the way to the back. This car's gonna be a a street car since this is a stock 820. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. So till next time, hopefully I'm back to regular uploads again. Like I said, something just came up and I was way too tired to even touch a car. I'm busy. So, but yeah, so till next time.